Okay, today is Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. We're at 28515 Pickford in Livonia. The house is on a crawl. As you can see, there's a crawl space vent. There's the bathroom window. You can see we've got an outside clean out here. It's 4-inch cast iron. We do believe the sewer runs out to Pickford Street. There is a manhole out in the street, but there's also a alleyway easement quite far in back. It has a deep yard. So we're going to do a diagnostic televise at this time. As you can see, this is 4-inch cast iron, and this is right now currently pointing towards the backyard. Okay, and you can see here we turn, and we're currently heading west towards the side of the house. As you can see, this is 4-inch cast iron. It does have a small amount of scale buildup to it. It looks like possibly the house has sat vacant for a little bit because the sewer is pretty dry at this point. Here you can see is another long sweep. This turns us now going towards Pickford, which would be to the north. This is going towards Pickford Street. You can see we have an offset here with some scale. As you can see, the pipe looks a little bit more scaled here. Some of that can be due to it sitting, also some due to the condition of the piping. You can see we're still in 4-inch cast iron. We're going to continue to push out. The city main is out in the road, but it's on this side of the street. You can see here we're getting into a larger amount of scale. There's quite a bit more buildup on the piping. As you can see, we're still in the 4-inch cast iron. It does show some scale buildup still at this point. Again, you can see the sewer is quite dry, so it's very possible the house has been vacant for a little bit.
Yeah, it has been. You want me to go run some water? Or? No.
Okay, here you can see this is our connection here to the 6-inch clay tile. You can see we do have a buildup of calcite at this joint. When we pull back, we will locate this area. Okay, here you can note there's a change from the 6-inch clay to PVC. We'll also locate that on the way back. Okay, here you can see we're holding some water at this point. This looks like in the PVC repair. We're going to push forward and then pull back just slightly. And you're going to see that this repair is offset. It's dropped down. You can see there's the end, and then there's the drop down of the PVC. As we pull back here, you can see we have another joint. We're going to pull a little closer. It has calcite on the left-hand side. Here you can see a large amount of calcite in this joint. Okay, we're going to pause to locate. This is an area we're not going to get the camera past. Okay, we have located this area. This is on the other side of the street. We're approximately about 5 feet short of the city main. If you look down the street to the west, you see a manhole that's up on the property on the other side of the street. So this is close to the city main. Again, this is located out in the street. It's approximately 9'2" deep. We don't think we'll get a camera to go past this area. This is something that can be hydrojetted to clear. We are going to go ahead and pull back at this time. We want to pull back to the shift from where it changes from clay tile to PVC. We want to locate that area. Okay, we have located the downstream end of this PVC repair. This is actually located out in the street. Again, this is about 8.5 feet down. So this was a repair that's been made out in the street. That offset is out in the road. Okay, we're going to pause and see if we can locate the upstream side of this, see if this is still out in the street or actually back into the grass area. Okay, we have located this area. It's still actually out in the street, so this repair was made out in the road. We are going to continue to pull back. We will also locate the transition from clay tile to cast iron. Okay, we're going to pause one more time and we're going to locate this. We know this should be up in the lawn area. Okay, we have located this. We put a flag out in the yard. This is between the trees and the road, closer to the road. It's approximately down about 9 feet. That is the transition area from the clay tile, clay pipe to the cast iron. We believe this is also right in the area of the property line.
All right. Hello, can you hear me?
Okay. Yep.
Okay, we're going to continue to pull back and record. As you can see, we're back in the 4-inch cast iron. Okay, again, as you can see when we pull back, you can see we do have scale buildup in the cast iron. This can possibly be look a little bit rougher than what it is due to the fact of some of it could be dried up and flaking due to the house sitting vacant. But it is starting to show signs of scale buildup. Some areas are worse than others.